To schedule a message on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra to send text at the perfect time, open Samsung Messages app, start a new chat or open an existing conversation, type your message, tap the arrow icon next to your text field, tap plus icon, and then tap schedule message. Pick the date and time you want it to be sent. Tap done button, and then tap send button, so your message will now send automatically at scheduled time. Given to the function, scheduled messages will be helpful for some condition. As the example, when you want to wish someone happy birthday at exactly midnight, when you want to send a professional message during work hour, or when you want to set up a reminder text when you know you will be busy and else. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.